let's go ahead and sign up for NordVPN. To make sure you're getting the best price available, visit the link on screen right here, or click the first link down in the video description. NordVPN updates its promo pricing pretty often, so that link will always have the most current deal they're offering. And once you've gone to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here. Click on Get NordVPN. Then on this screen here, you'll need to choose your plan. You'll get the most savings by going with the 2-year plan, but you can switch this as well. At the very least, I would recommend going with the 1-year plan. The 1-month plan is going to end up costing you a lot of money over time. So for this video, I'll go ahead and go with the 1-year plan. And I'm going to go ahead with basic. If you want to see the difference in the features between all the plans, take your time here and look through them and see which one you like the best. I'll click on Get Basic. And after that, you'll have to go through the checkout process. Go ahead and fill out your information and your payment method here. And once you're done, I'll meet you at the next step. Then once you're on this screen here, click on Activate Nord Account. You'll then get a verification email sent to the email you used to sign up with. Go to the inbox for the email listed right here and then find the code. That email should look like this. Copy the code here, then go back over to NordVPN and paste in that code right here. Go ahead and create a password, then click Create Password. Then you'll see the option to download NordVPN for your operating system. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click on Download for Windows. You'll see the installer appears in the top right here. I'll go ahead and click on this. You'll see the NordVPN installer appear here. First thing you'll do is click on Next. Click Accept. And then here you can choose what you want to install. In my case, I just want the desktop app. So I'm going to turn off the browser extensions. However, you can choose to keep these on if you want to. I'm going to go down and click on Install. Now the NordVPN desktop app is going to be installed onto your computer. This will take a few moments to complete, so I'm going to fast forward to whenever it's done. Okay, and whenever it's done, click on Launch NordVPN. Once you're here, click on Login. And since you've already logged into NordVPN on your browser, just click on Open NordVPN here. Here, I'm going to go down and click on Skip. Click Next. Then you'll have the option to choose your preferred location. By default, it's going to choose the fastest server. This is just going to connect to the server closest to your actual location. If you want to leave this on fastest server, go ahead, but you can also choose another location if you want to. For example, here I'll click on Specific Location, and I can scroll through the countries here. For now, I'm going to close out of this. And I'll teach you how to connect to other servers in different countries in just a moment. For now, I'll just leave this on fastest server. Now go down and click on Next. Then click Secure My Connection. And just like that, we're now connected to a VPN server. I'm going to go to the top right here and maximize this window. And now we can get a better look at the NordVPN desktop app.